let you know all the little days gon' come and go. Baby, just gotta make up your mind that every little thing's gonna be alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going plane spotting in Manchester Airport and I am super excited. I've always wanted to go because there's departures and landings like every 5 minutes, and the closest airport we have to where I live is East Midlands, and it's a very quiet airport. We have gone plane spotting there before, but like it's just not as good because the planes aren't as frequent. So we looked at train times and tickets and they were actually really cheap, although we do have to get a really early train. It's like 7:15 right now, train leaves at 7:45, so I do need to get a move on because I need to make breakfast and tea and everything. I was gonna have a Mackey's breakfast, but I'm not really feeling it, so I'm just gonna have a quick breakfast at home, I think, and then I've packed a load of snacks for the day, and yeah, I'm super excited. I want to vlog it. Still don't really know where I'm going with this channel, I'm not gonna lie. I've thought of like name changes because there's just so much like content that I want to do that is so like broad. Like there's so much different content that I want to do that isn't just theme parks. I was like, do I have a name change, do I not? I keep like going back and forth. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, so do just bear with me on that. I will figure it out at some point in my life. We've arrived and we can see our first airplane, Iceland Air. This is so sick. Oh my god, it's a little like fun fair cafe. Whoa, this is so cool. Other plane spotters.
When we visit a park.
Josh is saying that there's a little commentary box and they tell you where all the planes are coming from.
There about the
like
Iceland Air 757 in from Reykjavik. Quite ironic actually, because the 757 made its first flight 40 years ago this week.
Aww.
So,
that's nice. So yeah, we have arrived. We're just having a little look around before the plane schedule gets a bit busier. We got the train from Derby to Crewe, then from Crewe to Manchester Airport, and then we got an Uber from Manchester Airport train station to Runway Visitor Park, which is like completely free.
All the rides are free into planes.
I know, yeah, how cute! Little plane ride. That's so adorable. Oh my god, we can go in! That's sick.
It's a real plane, you know. It's not active anymore.
Oh my gosh. Geeking out to my max right now. Let's go. Oh, these stairs are steeper than I imagined. Whoa. How sick.
Doors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take off. That's the Polar Hijack Wheeler.
What?
Polar Hijack Wheeler.
It looks great, this room.
Whoa.
I think that's just the engine to set it off. Yeah.
So cool. You can see the cockpit here. How sick. That's so cool. And the fact it's for free. Amazing.
It didn't last long. It lasted 2 years.
We've come into the Concorde Centre. Wow, my camera is not doing this justice how big this is right now. Oh my gosh.
Ryanair currently replacing some of their older 737-800s with the new MAX 8-200s. So again, probably see quite a number of Ryanair aircraft during the course of today. One of the largest operators now here in Manchester, flying to lots and lots of destinations all over Europe and to destinations, of course, over in Southern Ireland, places like Knock and Dublin. Lanzarote, no doubt taking some very happy holiday makers looking for a bit of winter sunshine. Canary Islands, of course, one of the very popular destinations of Manchester this time of year. And over the course of this last week down in the Canary Islands, temperature's been around about 25-26 degrees, which of course is very, very nice.
Gosh, this makes me want to go on holiday. I want to jump on a plane right now.
Heading off to a little bit of sunshine. Virgin Atlantic, Airbus A330 there, taxiing out for departure. This aircraft is off to Orlando in Florida.
Oh my god, I'm so jealous.
No doubt probably lots of small people sat on there with Mickey Mouse ears on, getting excited, ready to go see Disney.
What a dream. And here I am, sat in Manchester with my Lightning McQueen backpack.
There's a plane coming in as well.
Is there?
You see it's light. Look above it.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Just looking across the far side of the airfield there, you can see a couple of the Manchester Airport Oshkosh fast response fire vehicles there.
We'll kind of demonstrate that thing to us, the tanks away and start squirting water, and then it demonstrates all the capabilities that the foam delivery system has. That's very, very impressive.
I'm just vacating the runway there, and what we call the rapid exit taxiway in front of the visitor park is today's Istanbul service from the charter airport at Istanbul. Independent Turkish airline by the name of Pegasus, and this particular aircraft is a Airbus A320neo, which stands for New Engine Option. One of the things that we have noticed, of course, during the course of this week is an increase in capacity to Turkey, clearly related to the current situation over there following the devastating earthquake. We've had some of the emergency teams flying out, no doubt related with people over in Turkey and backwards, forwards. In fact,
Busy now, you get the plane coming in already.
I know.
Purchase screen. Probably close to Orlando. Here it comes out.
There it goes. the commentary guys just said that we're going to see the, what is it, A380?
Yeah.
Which is the biggest passenger plane in the world. I've seen it so many times on YouTube. I've always wanted to see it in person. That's coming in about 30 minutes. It's gone a bit quiet now for like arrivals and departures.
Quite a lot of them delayed.
Yeah, a few delayed ones. But we're waiting to see the big boy. We was hoping we'd see that today.
It's weird because it said it wasn't due in today.
Yeah, we looked on Google last night and it
I only
wasn't
checked Flight Radar and it's not on there.
Apparently it's coming in.
It's on its way.
So that's exciting. You can't see very well. There's a Jet 2 plane over there. I can't remember the actual name of it. I need to do some more like plane research. But that is off to the Gran Canaria, which I am so jealous about. Another one of my like dream destinations to go to. And that plane
You
is...
say that about every single destination.
I want to travel the
Orlando, that's
world.
my
Disney though, innit? I'm obsessed with Disney.
You went to Orlando playing kickoff, you were so jealous.
I know. You just imagine all the like kids being excited they're going to Disney.
9-hour flight though.
I know. It's so worth it though. Yeah, that Jet 2 plane is 35 years old.
It's my mum flew as well. It's really weird.
There's another plane coming in.
I never record this, but Jet 2's about to take off.
The other interesting aspect of the giveaway.
It's the sun.
Shiny object up in the sky. I'm not too sure what that is. I don't know. Nobody's frightened. I've heard a rumour it's called the sun.
Oh, I love these guys. They're so funny.
This particular aircraft will probably take full length and will therefore head down to the far end of the runway to our right and then taxi back or to head for stand 12 here at Manchester, which is the designated stand for the Airbus A380. What that does, of course, gives us a great opportunity to watch the aircraft past the visitor park and of course just...
Oh my god, that is absolutely huge.
Massive that.
Wow. I would love to go on one of those planes. Oh, there we go, I fixed the zoom on my camera. You can zoom in a lot better now.
For those of you
Wow.
sticking around, you'll still be able to see the A380 operating to Manchester for years to come. Don't forget, of course, give the guys on the flight deck a wave if you're down by the fence. Generally get a wave back.
So sick. Look at the comparison. Baby plane. Big plane. I mean, you can't really see the big plane anymore before it is, but just seeing this coming in makes you realise how big the Emirates one is. Crazy. This one is off to Singapore. came from Texas and is now going back to its home base in Singapore. Oh, look at that, my zoom's way better now. I just like reset all of my settings on my camera and it fixed it.
Mentioned there about
Thanks.
Singapore.
So we've come into the shop to have a little look. They have all these little models, some of the bigger models. Oh, something's taken off. Aer Lingus. How cool.
Hong Kong, our second longest destination from Manchester Airport, takes about 11 and a half hours and sits behind Singapore Airlines direct service to Singapore, which takes about 12 and a half hours, which we thought we passed probably about an hour or so ago.
So we went into the cafe and I have bought like a load of snacks with me, but I saw this chocolate muffin and I just could not resist. So I picked up this and a bottle of water and we're just going to sit here, have some munchies and watch planes. What a life. Airplane flying right above us, and the Qatar airplane has just pulled in.
Aer Lingus Regional ATR 72 heading back to Belfast. And just
Not that you can see because my camera's really out of focus.
737-800, this time inbound from Oswald.
So we have booked onto the Concorde short tour, not that the tickets will focus. We have our tickets and we're waiting to go in. I'm very excited. So we have just done the Concorde tour and it was really good, it was really interesting. It's £6 per person for a half an hour short tour. There is like longer tours available, but a lot of them were booked up for today and a lot of them were just half an hour tours today. But it's really interesting. I couldn't film any of it, you're only allowed to take photos. I'll insert any photos that I took in here now.
But the hard times are golden, 'cause they all lead to better days. But you showed me what it means to be happy ever after, in love forever. And you gave me the key to all your love and all your pleasure.
But yeah, that was really cool, it was really interesting. We had a tour guide called Steve, same name as my dad. Okay, we're moving benches, and he was really lovely. He just basically like, we went inside the actual Concorde on the plane and we like sat on the seats, and then Steve just told us like a load of information about it. And it was just like super interesting, loads of like facts and stories and stuff. I would have loved to have seen one of them fly like in person. They go 1,354 miles per hour, I believe.
56,000 feet. When you think that the planes nowadays only do 35,000.
It's crazy. Apparently you were like on the edge of space.
You can see like the darkness of space, couldn't you?
How sick would that have been? I would have loved to have flown on the Concorde. But yeah, it was super fun, got some cool pictures, really good value for money at only £6 per person. So we're just waiting for the A380 Emirates to take off, because that's taken off in about 20 or so minutes, and then we're gonna go home because we have been here for a good few hours now and it's getting really cold. So but yeah, I've had a good day, really enjoyed it. Got an EasyJet coming in right now. I'm not sure where that's come from, I missed the commentary, but yeah, I've had a very good day here. the A380 is taking off.
The wings of our aeroplane are each capable of holding 124 tons of fuel. Probably costs about as much as it.
So we had such a nightmare trying to get home. Basically there was like an incident in Stoke-on-Trent, which is where we needed to pass through to get home, and because of that incident, like all the trains got delayed, and there was like so many different trains that we had to like be on. We didn't know where we was going. It was just a nightmare. I hope everyone's like okay, if like anyone got hurt or anything. Hope everyone's okay. But wow, it took us a long time to get home. So yeah, but we made it. I had such a good day. Absolutely loved plane spotting in a busy airport. A lot of people say like, oh, just go to East Midlands, like it was literally half an hour away. I'm like, now I realise how quiet East Midlands is compared to Manchester. Like Manchester was so busy today. Can't actually believe that I've seen an A380 in person. Like wow, what a huge plane that is. Absolutely love it. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Still have no idea what I'm doing, where I'm going with this channel. I just want to vlog little days out like this that we have, and just little trips and adventures. And I've got some like other content that I want to do as well, so yeah, I don't really know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you again very soon for a brand new video. Bye.
We're gonna be alright, 'cause ain't nobody like me.